In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a callback from QuickBooks Enterprise Support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get a support specialist to call you back without waiting on hold. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the company file that needs help. Using a supported, up-to-date browser will keep the support panel working smoothly. If you have pop-up blockers or extensions that change the page layout, consider pausing them for this process so everything loads correctly. Next, look to the upper right of your screen for the Help option. It may appear as a question mark icon or a Help label. Click it to open the Help panel. This is the central place where QuickBooks guides, support articles, and contact options live. Inside that panel, click into the search field. We're not using it to solve the issue right now. We're using it to surface the contact tools. Type a short description of your issue or simply enter Contact. After you type, give it a moment. QuickBooks will display suggested resources, and near the bottom you should see an option to contact us. If it doesn't appear right away, scroll the panel or try a slightly different keyword like Support. A quick page refresh can also help if the panel stalls. Select Contact Us to move to the support options. Here, you'll typically see choices such as messaging or requesting a callback. Choose Have Us Call You. This option places you in the callback queue and shows an estimated wait time, which can vary depending on support hours and volume. If you're working outside normal hours, you may see when callbacks resume. You'll be prompted to provide basic details so the specialist knows who they're calling and what you need. Enter your name and confirm the request by selecting Get a Call. Keep your device nearby and stay signed in to QuickBooks if possible so you can walk through the issue during the call. If your device has Do Not Disturb or call filtering turned on, temporarily disable it so the call can come through. If you miss the call, simply repeat the same steps to request another one. That's it. Open QuickBooks, use Help, search to reveal Contact Us, choose Have Us Call You, and confirm your details with Get a Call. Follow these steps whenever you need expert assistance, and you'll be connected to QuickBooks Enterprise Support without the hassle of waiting on hold. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your callback.